Hey everyone, welcome to the Beach Report. Today we headed out to Laguna's Beach Bar and Grill. If you haven't heard of Laguna's, it is a one-of-a-kind destination on Pensacola Beach. As you can see here, they have a big screen TV. It's perfect for viewing all sorts of, they've got music videos playing right now, but in other seasons they'll have movies playing, stuff for the kids to watch. They have the longest zip rail on the Gulf Coast here. It goes all the way to the other side. You can see it over there. They have this amazing splash pad. They offer dolphin cruises, parasailing, go-karts. And if that wasn't enough, if you need to take a break, you can come to their longboard house over here and grab some slushy drinks, some margaritas. Definitely a place you should be checking out. If you haven't yet, make time during your trip the next time you're out here at Pensacola Beach.